Click power. No response. Use non-woven fabric as a protective layer between the screen and keyboard when disassembling. Unscrew the back cover screws. Lift the bottom cover with the sucker. Insert the crowbar. Open the buckle from the bottom with the crowbar. Press the power off switch with the crowbar for 3 to 5 seconds, until the light is off, and close the back cover. Turn the computer upside down and open the cover slowly. Slowly open the computer and support it. Use a crowbar to slowly open the buckle at the cable port of the trackpad. Push out the touch control flat cable. Take out the crow plate and close the rear cover temporarily. Reverse the laptop. Open the rear cover. Please confirm again whether the power off indicator is off. Remove the battery screws and the main board screws. Lift the main board slightly with the crowbar. Slide the pry board under the battery. Apply adhesive remover and gently push until the battery fully detaches. Lift the main board with the crowbar from the side. Slide the pry board under the battery. Apply adhesive remover and gently push until the battery fully detaches. Remove the battery. Use adhesive remover and the crowbar to remove excess adhesive from your computer. Lift the main board with the crowbar from the side. Put the XINGLT battery in place. Tear off the transparent protective film on the upper layer of the batteries. Tighten battery screws and main board screws. Tear off the protective paper on the back of the battery. Close the rear cover temporarily. Reverse the laptop and support one side of the rear cover with the crow plate. Insert the touch control flat cable into the slot. Press the buckle switch off touch control flat cable interface. Paste the protective film on the touch control flat cable interface.
Tighten the rear cover screws.
Power on successfully. Replacement completed.